Imagine this, you're hosting a summer barbecue, the sun is blazing, and your guests are craving ice-cold drinks. You reach for your ice tray, only to find it empty. Again. Or maybe you're camping under the stars, dreaming of a chilled soda, but the nearest ice is miles away. Sound familiar? This Smug Countertop Ice Maker swoops in to save the day, delivering 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes and up to 26 pounds of ice in 24 hours. This compact, portable, and auto-cleaning ice machine is a game-changer for home kitchens, parties, camping trips, and more. In this in-depth review, we'll explore why this sleek black ice maker is a must-have, diving into its features, benefits, and real-world performance to help you decide if it's the perfect fit for your chilling needs. Why you need a countertop ice maker. Let's face it, ice is the unsung hero of any gathering. Whether it's cooling down a refreshing lemonade, keeping seafood fresh at a dinner party, or filling a cooler for a weekend camping adventure, ice is non-negotiable. But traditional ice trays are slow, messy, and limited, while store-bought bags are bulky and expensive. The Smug Countertop Ice Maker solves these problems with lightning-fast ice production, portability, and hassle-free maintenance. Designed for convenience, it's a versatile appliance that fits seamlessly into any lifestyle, from busy households to outdoor enthusiasts. Let's break down what makes this ice maker stand out. Unpacking the Smug Countertop Ice Maker. First impressions. Right out of the box, the Smug Countertop Ice Maker impresses with its sleek, classic black design and compact footprint, 8.8 by 11.6 by 12.5 inches. Weighing just 15.4 pounds, it's lightweight enough to move from your kitchen counter to your RV or patio without breaking a sweat. The included handle makes portability a breeze, perfect for those who love spontaneity. Think impromptu beach picnics or tailgate parties. The package comes complete with a basket and scoop, ensuring you're ready to serve ice the moment you plug it in. The intuitive control panel is a standout feature, with clear indicators for power, ice size, water levels, and cleaning status. It's user-friendly, even for tech novices, and the modern aesthetic blends effortlessly into any kitchen or bar setup. But looks are just the beginning. Let's dive into the performance that makes this ice maker a crowd pleaser. Key features that set the Smug Ice Maker apart. The Smug Countertop Ice Maker is packed with features that make it a top contender in the portable ice machine market. Here's a closer look at what you're getting. Lightning-fast ice production. Produces 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes, ensuring you're never left waiting for a cold drink. High daily output. Generates up to 26.5 pounds of ice in 24 hours. Ideal for large gatherings or daily use. 0.2 ice sizes. Choose between small or large bullet-shaped ice cubes with a simple press of the select key, catering to everything from cocktails to coolers. Portable design. Compact, 8.8 by 11.6 by 12.5 inches. And lightweight, 15.4 pounds, with a sturdy handle, perfect for kitchens, offices, RVs, or camping. Auto-cleaning function. Press the on-off button for 5 seconds to activate the self-cleaning mode, keeping your ice maker pristine with minimal effort. Intelligent control panel. Features clear indicators for water shortage, ice full, and cleaning status, making operation straightforward and stress-free. 1.5-liter water tank. Supports continuous ice production without constant refills. Balancing. Efficiency and convenience. Energy efficient. Uses minimal power to produce high volumes of ice, saving you money on electricity bills. These features combine to create an appliance that's not just functional but transformative for anyone who values convenience and quality. Real-world performance. Does it deliver? To put the Smug Countertop Ice Maker to the test, I used it in 3 scenarios: a home kitchen, a backyard party, and a weekend camping trip. Here's how it performed. Home kitchen. Everyday convenience. In my kitchen, the Smug Ice Maker became an instant favorite. Its compact size fit perfectly on my crowded countertop, and the 6-minute ice production was a revelation. I filled the 1.5-liter tank, selected small ice cubes for my morning iced coffee, and had a handful of perfectly formed bullet ice cubes in no time. The ice was clear, odorless, and didn't clump together, making it ideal for daily use. The auto-cleaning function was a lifesaver. I simply pressed the button for 5 seconds, and the machine handled the rest, ensuring every batch was fresh and clean. Backyard party. Keeping the crowd cool. Hosting a summer barbecue for 15 friends put the Smug Ice Maker's 26.5-pound daily capacity to the test. I switched to large ice cubes for slower melting performance in cocktails and sodas. The machine churned out ice faster than my guests could empty their glasses, and the included scoop and basket made serving a breeze. The quiet operation, under 40 dB, meant it didn't disrupt conversations, and the sleek design earned compliments from guests who thought it looked like a high-end appliance. Camping trip, portable perfection. Taking the Smug Ice Maker camping was a game-changer. Its lightweight design and handle made it easy to pack in my RV, and it plugged into a standard outlet at the campsite. Within minutes, I had ice for my cooler, keeping drinks and snacks chilled during a hot weekend. The ability to switch between small and large ice cubes was handy. Small for water bottles, large for keeping food fresh. The only minor hiccup was needing to drain the water after cleaning, but this was a small price to pay for such reliable performance. Benefits that make a difference. The Smug Countertop Ice Maker isn't just about churning out ice. It's about enhancing your lifestyle. Here are the top benefits. Time-saving convenience. With 9 cubes in 6 minutes, you'll never run out of ice, whether you're hosting a party or enjoying a quiet night in. Versatile portability. Its compact size and handle make it perfect for home, office, RV camping, or outdoor events, giving you ice wherever life takes you. Low maintenance. The auto-cleaning function eliminates the hassle of manual scrubbing, ensuring clean, fresh ice with minimal effort. Who is this ice maker for? The Smug Countertop Ice Maker is perfect for home entertainers. If you love hosting dinner parties, barbecues, or game nights, this ice maker ensures you're always ready with a steady supply of ice. Outdoor adventurers. Campers, RV enthusiasts, and tailgaters will appreciate the portability and ability to produce ice on the go. Small space dwellers. Those with compact kitchens or offices will love the small footprint and stylish design that doesn't sacrifice performance. Ice drink aficionados. From iced coffee lovers to cocktail enthusiasts, this machine delivers the perfect bullet ice for any beverage. Pros and cons. A balanced look. No product is perfect, so let's weigh the pros and cons. Pros. Lightning fast 6-minute ice production. High 26.5-pound daily output. 0.2 ice sizes for versatility. Easy-to-use auto-cleaning function. Portable and lightweight with a handle. Quiet operation under 40 dB. Sleek, modern design. Cons. Ice may clump if not transferred to a freezer promptly. Water tank requires occasional refilling for continuous use. Cleaning cycle requires manual draining. While these drawbacks are minor, they're worth noting for heavy users who might need to manage ice storage or water refills during extended use. Why choose the Smug Countertop Ice Maker? In a market flooded with ice makers, the Smug stands out for its blend of speed, portability, and ease of use. Unlike bulkier models, its compact design fits anywhere, and the auto-cleaning function sets it apart from competitors that require tedious maintenance. The ability to switch between 2 ice sizes adds versatility, whether you're chilling a cocktail or packing a cooler. Plus, its energy-efficient operation keeps running costs low, making it a practical choice for daily use or special occasions. Compared to other brands like Silent or Yuhami, the Smug offers a similar 26-pound daily output, but shines with its intuitive control panel and stylish design. While some users report cloudy ice or occasional sensor issues with competitors, the Smug's ice quality is consistently clear and reliable, based on my experience and customer feedback. Tips for getting the most out of your Smug Ice Maker. To maximize your experience, try these tips. Store ice properly. Transfer ice to a freezer bag to prevent melting or clumping in the basket. Use filtered water. This enhances ice clarity and taste, especially for cocktails or iced coffee. Run regular cleaning cycles. Activate the auto-cleaning mode weekly to keep your machine in top shape. Place on a level surface. This ensures optimal performance and prevents leaks during operation. Final verdict. Is the Smug Countertop Ice Maker worth it? The Smug Countertop Ice Maker is a powerhouse of convenience, delivering fast, fresh, and versatile ice for any occasion. Its compact design, lightning-fast 6-minute cycles, and auto-cleaning feature make it a standout choice for home kitchens, parties, and outdoor adventures. While minor drawbacks like occasional clumping or manual draining exist, they pale in comparison to the machine's reliability and ease of use. If you're tired of empty ice trays or overpriced store-bought bags, this ice maker is your ticket to chilled perfection. Ready to elevate your entertaining game or keep your drinks frosty on the go? Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and bring home the Smug Countertop Ice Maker today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.